Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your Mazda RX-8 air pump. So as you can see, this is the Mazda RX-8 air pump that we're going to replace in today. As you can see, some 10mm bolts and they will need to remove, but first we need to remove these 12mm nuts, as you can see on this strut bar. So we need to remove two there and two there. So we just need to remove these, remove the other side to get to these bolts down there. Because we're only removing the pump itself. Let's do the same to this side as well. Now just take the bar out of the way. Now as you can see, we've got access to these bolts. But first let's disconnect this plug. This one as well. Now I've got one more plug down there, so you've got to push that in. Push that clip in. So now I'm going to go and remove these 10mm. And I'm going to remove those ones as well. Remove this hose clip. Now we're going to take this one off. See, and now what we do is literally just lift the whole thing out. As you can see, that's the plug down there that we removed earlier. So now we're just going to fit the new one on. Well, it's not used, the second-hand one, but this one's actually working. So I'm going to put this hose pipe on. And literally just line them up like that. Plug the plugs back in. And that one as well. As you can see, they're all tight now. I just need to put our hose clip back on. Now we're just going to put our strut bar back on. As you can see, it's all done now. Everything's all back together, all been tightened up as well. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.